Hi, this is the second video that I'm doing for this Skywalker 2014. My first video, it was titled Modification in Mod 1, and now I made in this plane earlier today, and I'm really happy with how it performed. Now, originally, this is the motor that I tried to use. I pulled it out because it is causing the ESC to heat up even on the bench. I think it might be too much for the ESC on the prop combo that I use. So I switched to a 3542. Let me just focus that there. A 3542 Turnigy SK3 motor, and it is rated at 1000 kV. The motor, I think, for this airframe is perfect. It's spinning a 10 by 6 propeller, and this is a carbon fiber propeller that I got online from, I think it's Esprit model, and it's made by Aeronaut. So the propeller is really amazing. It's so quiet, and there were times when I'm doing low pass flying, and I thought the motor was off. So anyways, I'm sticking to this configuration. It's a 10 by 6, again, carbon fiber prop from Aeronaut, and it's being spun by a 3542 1000 kV SK3 motor from Turnigy. Now, the maiden that I did was basically I wanted to see if this 10 by 6 can actually carry huge load. So this is the batteries that I use. These are 5000 milliamp hour ZP compact batteries, and there's two of them. So on parallel. So these are the batteries that I used to Maiden the 2014 Skywalker. There's a ZP compact 5000, as I mentioned, and let's weigh them and see how much two of these weigh. So it's 902 grams, so I was carrying almost a kilo of batteries when I made in my Skywalker, and still has a lot of power. It still goes vertical with the 3542 motor, 1000 kV, spinning a 10 by 6 Aeronaut carbon fiber prop. It was really amazing. The Maiden was it kind of when I threw the plane, usually when with my other planes, I had to trim, I had to do this and do that, land the plane, physically adjust the control surfaces. But this one just flew out of my hand, and at 1/4 throttle, even lower than 1/4 throttle, the plane was cruising. And I said, okay, that's a bit odd. So I put it back on the bench, attach a watt meter, and I kind of remember where the position of the throttle was when I was cruising, and apparently it can cruise less 5 amps. I think it was 4.5, carrying 10,000 milliamp hour batteries. So I think I'm gonna stick with this setup until I get the OSD and the other components for long-range FPV flights. So once I got that all installed, I'll probably do a couple of test flights and dial in. I will either install a Cyclops Tornado on this airframe, or an Eagle 3 Vector. So it's just waiting for good weather. I'll probably try to install it the next day or so and try to get this up in the air again and see how how far it could go. But so far so good. The airframe is rock solid. It floats, it glides, and it's just, it could go fast. It could go slow. The wingspan of this Skywalker is a few millimeters shorter than my other Skywalker over there, but the shape is different. So I think that shape contributes in the characteristics of the flight. It's not as agile as my Bixler or my FX61 Phantom, but it can go fast. It can go vertical with the motor and prop combo that I use. You know, considering that it's carrying two 5,000 milliamp hour batteries. So I'm pretty happy with the maiden and performance of this plane, and I'll probably do another video once I get all the other electronics like the OSD, the video transmitter, and all the other stuff that is necessary for a long range flight.